Left lane. Nice run, fellas. Nice run. Ooh, nice pull through. Let off. There you go. Nice run. Nice run. You see it spinning like that, you gotta let off. Red lighter stays on your bumper. Yeah, you go. Nobody won that one. But I hope you didn't break, my man, because you got to race again. Take it easy on me, little man. Set us up, bro. Nice race, brother, man. I know you turned up on me. I had to click mine up 2 notches on you, too. Hey, once I heard nice run, little man. Nice driving. Took out your dad. Oh yeah, Willie bar is off. Nice run, my man, but your Willie bar was off. Get in there, Brian. You get in there. Nice run, man. You made it a far way with no buys.
Not that. I think he still, obviously, still would have got me probably, but.
What happened?
Yeah, it's pretty sad, but I guess
nice run, dude.
That's what's getting me out of the hole. Yeah.
I already know. If I said that to my wife, she'd throw that at me.
That's gonna have to happen.
That's a big advantage, too. Oh my God.
White. Ah, you fucking red.
Whoever it is, it's a cheap motherfucker. You heard? I said, come on and beat me. Come on. I feel like the gatekeeper.
even in a thing.
You had me by, I think, a ½ inch. Yeah. Oh, 8, sorry.
Nice run, guys.
That was a hell of a pass.
Nice run, man.
Give me your tune. Yeah.
He got it in there.
Give me your tune.
2-4. He could turn up if you want. He just teasing.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Tire was ridiculous.
Put in the downforce back.
Let's go, Josh. Let's go. Nice one. Right. No. Oh, you blew that tire. The tire came up. That's why I did that. Them tires is old ones, huh?
Yeah.
Nice run, bro. What color you at? I don't care either. Whatever you want to do.
You're still gonna take it. You're still gonna take it.
Yeah, right. That bitch is smoking. Ooh, nice run. Yeah, for sure.
La maquinilla le dice.
Had to try.
Right? Never seen you take out your own shit.
Had to. I turned up too much, that bitch spun out the hole. Talk to me.
I have the art design.
Who ran there? Left lane? Yeah, it was a rough day today. Yeah, it'd be like that sometimes. Just keep texting me, it'll get back to you. Nice one, fellas. Nice one. 2-1. Almost. 4 of them. It's coming.
And me and this.
Cool. Yeah, it's ready. Nice one.
Thank you, man.
Nice one, Chris.
Oh, 2-0.
No, it's over, it's over. Nice racing, nice racing. Nice save, my man. Nice one, nice one. Nice one, my man. You made it the farthest out of everybody. Y'all see that? Nah. Hell of a run, fellas. Right lane. Right lane. That was a nice run. That had to have been a whole shot. Let me see the time slip. Yeah, look at that. It was 2368, 2365. Good to go. Oh, nice save, nice save. Hell of a run, fellas. Hell of a run.
I put a little bit deeper.
Nice run, fellas. 3724. Ooh, that was some driving. Nice run, fellas. Nice run. Nice run, fellas. Just scoot out.
Oh, that's what you got. That's what.
Nice run. You're into the finals. Either way, you taking home some money today. Either way, huh? Can't beat that, huh? Can't beat that. Either way, you take home money. Second place always takes home money. Let's go, fellas. The semifinals right here. Shout out to all the racers that came out today. Shout out to y'all. Some great racing. Set it up, Bob. Back out, back out. Yeah, you ready. He won't keep. That's what I'm talking about. Nice run, fellas. Nice run. That's how you drive. Little man, you been doing your thing, man. Been doing your thing today. Shout out to you, little man. Little man held it down. Little man held it down. You're the only one out that team over there that came to the finals. That's what's up. Word. That's what's up. Back up, back up. Do it again, bro.
That was great.
Nice one. Nice one, little man. You did your thing.
Job, man.
You did your thing. To be in the semifinals, you did your thing, man. Did your thing. 1 and 2, huh? 1 and 2. I want to shout out to these good brothers. You seen them in the morning, me recording them working, and look where it paid off at. They both in the semi, and they in the finals.
See that?
So shout out to that.
That's the smile. They're taking home some money right there.
Yeah, definitely. That's what's up, man. That burn out some more. He got that one, man. No. Alright, these two brothers right here are in the finals, so we're gonna flip for sides. Call it in the air. Tails. Lane choice. Alright, fellas. Two brothers going for the number 1 and 2 spot. Yeah? It's all good.
Brand new. And we hitting the button, you have to hold the button. Brand new car.
Yeah. So that's how it is. Who quarter was this? Yeah, you gave me a quarter here. Good luck to both of you fellas. Shouts out to Dan and Chris. RNS came and took the pot again. RNS took the pot last cash day, and now both of them took the pot this cash day. RNS, oh yeah, he took the first one. Oh, RNS trying to make a name out there.
Yo, forgot about Dave too.
Chris said he had to regain himself. Nice race. Ooh, y'all brothers racing each other like y'all don't know each other. What's going on here? 2-1 in the left lane. I mean the right lane. 2-1. Alright, it's the last race. 1 and 1. $1,000, $40 pot. I know you tried though. Nice racing there. He's a slick guy right there. Yeah, that's a crazy. Look how that's that last race. Check that light out. Nice. All right, I forgot who won. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. So, thank you guys for coming out and racing. It was a great race day. So we got 220 to second place, and we got about 920 there for.
Big man, he
or 820 there for first place. Congrats, man. You did your thing today. Both of you gentlemen did. It was a great racing day. Y'all kicked my ass.
Not just you. Look, he wants to trade.
Oh, I caught that on camera. The team giving the team money, huh? That's what you call the team. That's what you call the team. Shit, I'm not.
What you say?
Holy shit.
You guys are lucky I didn't bring my car.
I'm about to back out of this one now.
That's a 2-0.
Nah, that ain't no 2-0.
Wait, do I have to put my name again?
No 2-0.